In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or change the language on eBay. This is a simple process that can completely transform your browsing experience, making it easier to navigate the site in a language you're most comfortable with. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily switch your preferred language step by step. To start, open your web browser and go to the eBay website. It's important to ensure that you're accessing the correct and official site to avoid any potential issues. Once you're on the homepage, your first task is to sign into your account. Look towards the top left corner of the webpage and you will see the sign in option. Click on it to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you may need to create one to personalize your settings effectively. Now, with a successful login, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. This might take a moment as you pass by various sections highlighting different features and categories eBay offers. Keep going until you find yourself at the footer of the site. This often overlooked area holds some essential settings that we need to access. In the bottom right corner of the page, look for a section involving site settings, and there you should spot a language option. It could appear as a drop-down menu or a link located next to any site or country settings. Be patient if it takes a second glance to locate this. It's usually near the currency and region selectors. Once you've identified the language option, click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu displaying the available language options. These typically include a variety of languages like English, Spanish, French, German, and several others. eBay offers these vast choices to accommodate their diverse user base around the globe. Choose the language you wish to set as your preference by selecting from the list. As soon as you make your choice, the language setting will automatically change. There's no need for an additional confirmation. Just like that, the page refreshes to display content in your selected language, making it immediately ready for you to continue exploring eBay with ease. That's it! You've successfully changed your eBay language settings. By customizing the language, you ensure that your shopping experience is more intuitive and friendly. Remember, you can always revisit these steps whenever you need to switch to a different language, or if you travel to another country and wish to optimize your browsing according to local preferences. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you're all set to enjoy your eBay experience in your language of choice. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!